Hello and welcome to my craft studio and my YouTube channel. My name is Katrina Eva and today we will create second card using a newest collection by Heartfelt Creation called Wilderness Retreat. I absolutely love this collection, and of course Heartfelt Creation as always provide fantastic die stamps and paper to match, so whatever you are a beginner or maybe more advanced card maker, you can have a lot of fun with this collection. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click this notification button, as we have some exciting news for you soon and surprise for the Black Friday on my YouTube channel. But going back to the card, this time I decided to create something a little bit different, and I create a bunch of photos of every single stage of my coloring, so it's very easy for you to stop the video and just take your time to watch exactly how I color every single layer. To color this card I used blender marker and distress inks. To create the frame for my card, I connect two frames for hand stitch accent die with removable adhesive, and I die cut the white cardstock for about 4 times. I stack and adhere all the layers together, and then I distress the edges with peel paint and Mount Lawn distress ink. Then I run it through again with my white cardstock and the color this top frame with Mount Lawn pin paint, tumble glass and scatter straw, and I adhere it on the top of my frame, and this gives me this beautiful dimensional look. And of course because I distress the edges, it's march with my background and with all these inks I create inside of my card. So to create the base for my card, I use A-LED rectangle and basics. This is the Heartfelt Creation set, and of course I absolutely love this set. You can create a bunch of sizes, and of course you can use it also to create the card bases 5x7 and A2. This is the American size, 4¼ by 5½. And almost obvious choice for me was the craft cardstock to create the card base for my card. And if you decide to use hand stitch die set, as you can see, this is slightly smaller than A2 American size card, so it will be a perfect match for your A2 card. And I stamped the sentiment on the piece of white cardstock. I distress the edges with scatter straw distress ink, and I create the fold for about, I think, 3/8 or 1/4 of the inch. It depends how much of dimension you want to add for this banner. And I fold it on the back on my front panel, and then I adhere it to my card base. Heartfelt Creation already sneak peeking the special release for Black Friday, so I'm very excited. I will have the small surprise for you as well on my YouTube channel. So once again I invite you to like and subscribe, and of course click the notification button to be notified when I upload a new video. And that's it for today. I hope you like like the new collection and you give it a try. And if you do, please share your card or scrapbooking page or box maybe. Heartfelt Creation official Facebook page on Facebook. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. See you soon. Bye.